Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Meka and you can find me on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Today I'm going to be opening my April 2017 Planner Society kit, and I've got all 4 kits in here to show you. So you're probably wondering why I have this hairdryer here with my Planner Society kit. Well, I'm going to actually use it to open up my packages. These beautiful packages have designs on here that you can actually use. They're made of a matte paper, so all you have to do is carefully rip off the labels, but the problem is they're hard to carefully rip off without actually ripping the paper. So the hairdryer trick is going to help you get the labels off and keep your paper intact. I'm using my hairdryer, but you could also use a heat tool, for crafting. The one thing I would suggest is keep your hairdryer on low and be very careful if you're using a heat tool, because those heat up really hot and you don't want to burn your fingers. So what you want to do is just be patient and slowly peel up the packaging a little bit at a time, and that's going to give you the best results to not actually rip any of the paper surface. So I've got my first sticker removed completely. I don't think I ripped any of the packaging. Now I've got what's like basically a full sheet to use for my craft projects. All done. All of my packages are open. I've got my stickers completely removed. I didn't rip anything. So the trick is go very slowly and everything will come out perfectly. It also helps if, I don't know if you noticed, but I warmed the stickers a little bit first before I actually started peeling, and that kind of makes them more pliable. Okay, I hope this trick works out for you so you can use up these goodies as much as you possibly can in your crafting projects. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Meka and you can always find me on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye bye.